lemonade, 5 lemons and an orange here, 3/4 cup of sugar. So we're going to make sure that the lemons are very well washed because we're gonna be using the skin. So we really wanna make sure we scrub these lemons. I have 5 lemons and an orange peeled. Just take the sugar and we pour it into this bowl. And we're gonna leave it for about 8 hours or overnight so that all the oils from the skins of the lemons and the orange kind of like infuse into the sugar. Cover it and put it in the fridge. Now we're going to juice all of the lemons and the orange. You actually only get about a cup of juice. We're going to cover this too because we can't use it until the lemon and orange peels are done infusing into the sugar. We're back. It has been overnight since we've done this. So we're going to put the lemon juice and orange juice into the pitcher. And we're gonna take some hot water. It doesn't need to be boiling, but it needs to be hot. And dissolve as much of the sugars as possible. You start moving the sugar and oils into the pitcher. Oils and the sugar water was dissolved and we put it in this. So I'm gonna go fill this up with water. We're gonna let it cool down. The pitcher is full of water. I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for a couple hours and it should be ready to drink later.